Today, we will study linking verbs.
Linking verbs do not show any action, unlike the regular and irregular verbs. Rather, they link the subject with the rest of the sentence.
Thanks, Miss Molly. These are common linking verbs. For present tense, is would be the singular subject, and are for the plural subject. Or, for the past tense, you can use was for the singular and were for the plural. For the present tense, we use is or are, depending on the number of subjects.
For past tense, we use was and were, and still depend on the number of subjects. Thus, aside from knowing what tense of the verb to use, we also have to check the number of subjects in a sentence.
I is right. Let's take this sentence for example. Sam is a nurse. How many subjects do we have in this sentence? Correct. Just one, and that is Sam. Therefore, we consider Sam as a singular subject.
And if we have a singular subject in the present tense, which
My sisters are cooking in the kitchen. What is the answer? Great! The answer is are. Because our subject sisters is plural. My sisters are cooking in the kitchen.
What about the sentence, this dress are beautiful? Which linking verb should we use? Is or are? That's right. We should use is. This dress pertains to only one dress, so it's in the singular form. That's why the sentence should be, this dress is beautiful.
That's right, Miss Molly. Try to answer this as well. The moon is or are in outer space. Which linking verb should we use? What's our subject in this sentence? Yes, the moon. Since the moon is singular, we should use the singular verb is. The moon is in outer space.
See? It's easy. You all did well, kids.
See you next time.